Welcome to the in front of me TCL Tab channel, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So to do that, we should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. Now we can see here the new created home screen folder on our device screen. But to add more applications here by the same way, just hold it and drag it here. Now we can see here this new folder. We can give a name here. Just tap here to edit name and enter for example, the apps. Tap here to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully give a name to our device folder. If you want to move this folder here on the screen, just hold it and drag it by this way. Also, if you want, we can make just move between the screens these folders, or we can also create this folder with the new screen with our folder. And if you want to, for example, remove some applications from here, just hold it and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove this application from the home screen and from the folder, hold it and drag it here to remove icon. But don't worry, you'll stay with this application here in the apps menu. And if you want to remove just all of the applications in one time, just all of just this folder, just hold it and drag it here to the remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.